Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a body confidence talk, and I've tried filming this so many times, my thoughts are literally all over the place. I really should have planned this before I came here and tried filming because I've been at this for like 30 minutes now and I can't get my point across. I want to talk about loving your body, and I want to talk specifically about the words fat and disabled. So if you guys do not know, I am a disabled woman. I was injured from a car accident. I have plenty of videos talking about my spinal cord injury if you guys are curious. That's not the point of this video. If you guys follow me on Instagram or if you have me on Facebook, then you would know that recently I've been trying to post more full body photos of myself. Because of quarantine, your girls got bored and I wanted to take more photos of myself. And I got a tripod for my phone and I've been taking more full body photos in order to work on loving my body for what it is. Through this journey, I posted one of the photos on Facebook and the caption is something like, loving my fat disabled body. And I had people comment, don't say that, you're beautiful, or don't say that about yourself, don't say that about yourself, like you're a pretty girl or whatever. And I wanted to touch on, that's kind of what sparked this idea. I wanted to talk about the word disabled for a while too on my channel and how people kind of use that as like a bad word. So I'm hoping that I get my point across in this video. If you guys want to hear a lot of chattering, then keep watching, but that's kind of what the gist of this video is going to be about. So I have been on a self-love journey for a long time now, and I have openly talked about my struggles with loving my body and how I'm trying to train my brain to see it as what my body has done for me as opposed to what my body looks like, because what my body looks like doesn't really matter on the grand scheme of things. I want to make sure that I'm taking care of my body. So that's kind of how I'm shifting my mindset into this. And I'm going to leave a video linked below. It's a video by xoxo, and it's talking about loving her body after having a miscarriage. And I think what she says in that video is so powerful and so important. So after you watch this video, go check that out because it's a really good video. I posted that photo of my full body and people were like, don't say that about yourself, you're beautiful. You can be fat and you can be beautiful. I want you to understand that those things are not mutually exclusive. I cannot say that word. I am fat and I am disabled, but I'm still a beautiful, powerful, and independent woman. And I think that people so often attribute the words fat and the words disabled in my situation as being bad things. Like I will say something about like, oh, I'm disabled. People are like, oh no, don't say that. Say person with disabilities, or say that you're differently abled, or don't diss your abilities. And it's like, those things aren't helpful. And in fact, I feel like those perpetuate negative ideas and stereotypes around disabled people, because I feel like it's giving the idea that the word disabled is a bad word, and it's not a bad word. Just like the word fat, people will correct you all the time, be like, you're not fat, don't say that about yourself, you're beautiful. It's like, yeah, I'm beautiful, but I'm also fat. Like, let's not beat around the bush here. It is what it is. And with the word disabled, I feel like when people correct me and try to be like, don't say that about yourself, you're a person with disabilities because you're a person first, I feel like it minimizes and it takes away from the struggles that I went through as a disabled person. Like, my life is great, don't get me wrong. I'm a very fortunate and a very blessed person. But there have been some things that I went through in my life as a disabled person that have sucked really freaking hard. And I feel like when people try to say like, oh, you're not disabled, it's like, yeah, I am. All that things I went through happened because I didn't have a body that functioned like a normal able-bodied person. Like, it is what it is. And maybe, I don't know, if you're disabled, weigh in on your feelings below about that, because I feel like a lot of the times when people correct me, it's people who are able-bodied, who are trying to feel like they're having one up and like they're trying to like fight for disabled rights, but they don't actually know what it's like. Like, the word disabled doesn't bother me. The word handicap, I'm not really a big fan of it, but it is what it is. That is what I am. Like, and I am also fat. Like, I'm working really hard on shifting my mindset to not thinking that those words are bad, and realizing that I am fat, I am disabled, but I am strong, I'm independent, I am brave, I am whatever the word you want to put here. Also, going along with what Sierra said in her video, one thing that she said that really stuck with me is that she's learning to love her body, and one thing that she's doing every single day is reminding herself to take her medicine. I'm horrible at taking medicine. If you know me on a personal basis, you know that I suck at taking medicine. But there are a lot of things that I struggle with that are fixed by medicine. For example, my mental health. If I would take my anxiety medicine regularly, I probably wouldn't have as many anxiety attacks. I probably wouldn't have as many low points, and I probably wouldn't be as anxious all the time. But I'm really bad about taking my medicine. So one thing that I've tried implementing is taking my medicine, showing my body that I love it by caring for it, by taking my medicine. If you're someone who's struggling with your self-image or your body, like the way you feel about your body, definitely I would try shifting the way you think about it. Think about all the things that your body has got you through. Like, you have lived through all this. So for me, I think I almost died, and my body pulled through that. And I've continued to feed it junk and crap and all that, and it still fought for me, and it still fought for itself to stay alive. Like, how incredible is that? How cool is that? And that's something Sierra kind of talks about that in that video too, is like, don't focus so much on the way your body looks. Focus on what your body can do and what you're doing for it and how to take care of it. Like, that's what's so important. I know this video was all over the place. I've tried filming it like 6 times, so I'm not even sure if I got my point across here, but I want you to take power in those words and realize that those are not bad words. And I also hope that if you are someone who's struggling with your self-confidence, that you'll take away some of the things that I said in this video. And please, please, please go watch that video from Sierra. I think it's so powerful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. It's just at heysabrinafaith. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!